Lumpy game called Lumpy Cubes. 1 through 4 players, ages 6 and up. Okay.
What are you picking?
Cool cards. These cute.
So they're made of, you see, plastics.
Yep.
With stickers
Are
on
they
it.
hollow? These aren't stickers.
Yeah, they're hollow.
It said it comes with 12 cards and I think 16 blocks. Object. To quickly and correctly stack your 4 cubes. Set up. Shuffle the cards out of arm's reach.
That's it?
Oh, ha! There's the other side. Okay.
All right. Lumpy time.
Here's the card. Everybody ready? Is the
Okay,
video
hold
on?
your block.
Is the video on?
Sammy, yes?
Hi. Okay.
10.
10. Okay.
Those two. Two red.
Oh my gosh!
Lumpy. They haven't started yet. Okay, you got one. Give the card to him. Okay.
I used to have the high score.
Okay. Start now. One. Where's the teeth?
Lumpy.
Wait, I'm missing
Man,
the
you're
one.
so fast.
I can't find
That's
the
not fair.
Oh,
That's not fair.
Let me see. Let me see.
Okay. Okay, you need 5 cards to win because you're too fast.
What about the others?
3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay. Bottom. Okay, I'm gonna win. Lumpy!
Oh!
Picture this time.
Why do I always start losing when
my
there's
card.
another player?
Well,
I won against Daddy all the time until you came down.
good shoot. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Just drop them now. So
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah.
Lumpy.
Lumpy!
Ah, who?
I
I
said
said it.
No, I said it first.
I said
Wait, you know what? Let's see the video.
it.
So after replaying the video,
So at the moment when you flip the
we
card,
found wait,
Is the
Sammy
video
won
on?
it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's won again.
1.
2, 3.
Wait.
Lumpy.
Ah.
Nice set.
Yeah, that was fast. Okay, get it? How many cards you got?
4.
4, 2, 8.
Ready?
No.
So that still has to.
Lumpy.
Lumpy!
Check it.
No, you won.
Boom, 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 boom. That's right. Okay,
Okay,
Sammy wins.
me and Daddy.
Okay.
I
you
can
gotta-
still win.
you gotta,
Whoever gets 5 first.
I'll just keep on playing.
okay.
But you won't win. 'cause you're the winner. Lumpy! Gotta be standing.
Ah, yeah, that's right.
Oh, yeah. I got 1 card. I got 1 card. I can still win.
Okay,
Okay,
Sammy?
so we're going to do a new rule. You each have to build the tower twice.
These were the experts.
As you see, I am
Expert
an expert.
players. Yep.
Okay.
So we're gonna use 1 card, but build it twice. Master
Lumpy.
guy. Okay. You're not lumpy yet. You're just half of the lumpy.
Oh my gosh.
You need to do it. Okay. Lumpy.
Oh, come on. You
Now
got
I'm
2?
You
I
got
can't
2.
find these.
Look.
How did you get the first card? That was so close.
Okay, now new rules. It has to be mixed colors.
Okay.
Okay? Lumpy.
Oh! Hey, it looks like candy corn without the white.
Okay. Heaven's coming. Okay.
Okay, new rule.
This is for the expert.
Yep. We're going to use both of the colors to stack to make one stack.
One big tower.
But it
Yeah.
has to repeat the pattern twice. So like this and then this again with 2 colors.
Okay. Gotcha.
Lumpy.
Wooden. Wow. I didn't even.
I can't twist it.
Yeah, I can't. It's gonna fall down. Boom, boom, boom. That one. Yeah.
Yeah!
You win. That's cool.